Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In C, you can find the sum of the diagonal elements of a matrix by iterating through the appropriate indices. For a square matrix, the diagonal elements are those where the row index is equal to the column index, i.e., matrix II. Steps to find the sum of diagonal elements. 1. To find the matrix, you must first declare and initialize the matrix. 2. Iterate through the matrix, use a loop to traverse the matrix. 3. Sum the diagonal elements, add the elements where the row index equals the column index. 4. Print the result, finally, display the sum. Example code. Here's a simple C program that demonstrates how to find the sum of the diagonal elements in a square matrix. Explanation of the code. 1. Matrix declaration, we declare a 3x3 matrix and initialize it with values. 2. Sum variable, we declare an integer variable sum to hold the total of the diagonal elements. 3. Loop through matrix, we loop from 0 to size 1. In each iteration, we access the element at position matrix II, diagonal element, and add it to sum. 4. Print result, finally, we print the sum of the diagonal elements. Output. When you run the program, the output will be. Notes. This program assumes that the matrix is square, i.e., the number of rows equals the number of columns. If you want to work with non-square matrices, you will need to modify the logic depending on whether you want the primary diagonal, secondary diagonal, or both. The size constant can be adjusted to work with different sized square matrices. This should give you a good understanding of how to find the sum of diagonal elements in a matrix using C. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask.